8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1,
It's just
2
another
and 3,
afternoon.
4 and 5,
Smell of
6
venom's in
and
my
7. And slowly you can start changing
Once
the
again, I'm
direction.
craving you.
Very nice and slow.
Say my prayer, then I commune. It's
And
not
keeping
me,
the
it's
same.
you. Know exactly what
And
to
1,
do.
2 and 3.
I
Okay
think
guys, so here we go for the second class. So we're going to be doing now the basic step back and forth. Yes, so that's
Yes.
one of the most important one that we're going to have. That's going to be the foundation for everything we're going to be doing on Zouk. Okay?
Yeah, very important to be patient when you do this movement because it's the base for all the other steps that you're going to learn.
Yeah. So let's get started. See you guys there. Very good. So when you're going to start the basic step, yes, so you're going to try follow the same idea, same principle that we just did with the basic step on the spot. Stepping ball heel first, transferring the weight, relaxing the hips and everything. But before we start to go full on with the hip motion, everything, we're going to be doing the basic step, just aiming and focus with like the footwork. Yes, the footwork is going to be everything. So you're going to be doing like a sideways for you guys, so this a bit easier for you guys to visualize. Okay, so to start, the leaders are going to start focus on your left leg.
Ladies, with your right leg going forward.
So we're going to think about in this position. First thing we're going to do is like one the time we're going to start dancing, we're going to be start dancing on the end. Yes, so we prepare. And 1, we don't start straight away on the 1. Okay, so you're going to start end. So the end means preparation. Plié. Yes, so it's like a small plié where you're going to prepare and drive the leg. Very important, very, very, very important. It's on Zouk. Yes, especially, the Brazilian Zouk.
Yes.
That is different from the Caribbean Zouk. We're going to always the legs move first. Okay, we need to be careful the upper body don't be the one that's going to be driving. It's always the legs need to be ahead of your upper body.
Yes.
Yes, so the legs
Very
always
important.
drive first. Okay, so when we're going to be starting here, we're going to prepare. So you're going to count 7, 8, end. So this end here, I still have the weight for the leaders on the right leg.
Ladies on the left.
So from this position here, when we come back, so we want to make sure we keep the connection with the floor all the time. Yes?
So you're going to use the ball of your foot to press the floor when you're driving.
So from here, we drive the leg. So in that position, the same leg, when I prepare, I'm going to use the leg that is the base to push. And the same time that I push, I will decelerate the movement. Yeah. So the same leg that accelerates, so they create the impulse, is the same leg that's gonna slow you down. So you want to build the control. So our first step is the traveling step. So when we prepare and we push. From that position, what we're gonna do is keeping like a brush the feet. So we're gonna pass the feet together. When we pass the feet together, we're gonna do step, step. Now, when we do this step, it's very important to make sure we maintain our weight centered. Yeah, so we need to maintain center, avoiding to do like a bouncing. So you want to be careful we don't bounce all the way here. You want to make sure when you do the movement, we step, step, and keep our weight centered. Okay?
The same thing for the ladies. So we do exactly the same thing, the weight transfer.
So from here, we're going to drive the leg forward, and then we're going to be pushing and doing exactly the same. And then we step, step. Find our weight center. And then we go back, step, step, and we push, step, step, we go, step, step, and push. Yeah. Now, it's very good when we do the movement. Make sure everything that we're going to be doing, you're going to maintain our weight centered. Okay. So if we open our legs, like with our legs parallel in the line of our shoulder, my weight is in the center. From here, if I'm going to pivot, for example, to my left, I'm going to use my right leg to create the momentum to pivot. In that position, I'm still with my weight in the center. If I come back to the other side, I use the opposite leg. So my left help me to pivot to the other side. My weight is still centered. So if I come back, I'm still with my weight in the center. So when we do the basic step, going back and forth, we don't want to keep like shifting the weight to one leg to another. We want to make sure the idea is we want to have our center of gravity centered and we're still stepping. Yeah, so if you're doing motion, you're going to look like this with the counting. So you're going to be doing 7, 8, and 1.